So they will be the one to let you go through fall in line and everything.
So, in short po, ang ibig sabihin ng coordinator, kami po ang magdadala sa inyo kung saan kayo pupuesto.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, ito, babanggitin ko po ang mga pangalan. Yun po yung asawa kong maganda, kung hindi nyo siya kilala, yan po si Lea. Okay, first in line. Pastor Nestor Miguel and Ninang Victoria Miguel. Next, Pastor Bill and Pastor Grail. Pastor Rex and Sister Helen, proxied by Sister Karel. Pastor Ed and Pastor Ninang Edna. Brother Ben, punta na po kayo ng Ninang. Hindi ba? Okay. Okay. Ninong Ben and Ninang Ria, Ninong Joel and Ninang Imelda, Ninong Dante, Ninang Tess. Napansin niyo po ba puro ninong at ninang namin? Kayo po ang mga primary sponsors. So, taas po yung mga kamay ng mga natawag. Salamat po. Ngayon ang susunod, secondary sponsors. Bible, Kuya Sani and Ate Lorna. Kendall, Kuya Dennis and Ate Sheila. Vale, Ninong June and Ninang Arlene. Nandito po ba sila? So pwede po siguro magsingit ng kahit sino?
Pwede magsingit ng dalawa po?
Cord, Kuya Ray and Ate Janet. Wala din po sila? On the way. So pwede pong magsingit din ng dalawa. Salamat po. So tayo po pwede magbulungan na muna para po marinig natin yung isang coordinator doon. Yung maganda kong asawa. And lastly, communion. Kuya Ronnie at Ate Justina. Nandito po ba sila? May appointment, so pakisingit po yung dalawa din, kahit sino po. Except for Ninang Celia and Ninong Hermie, of course. Just to let you know, sila po ay kakasal. Okay. Alam ko, isa pa po, for your information, excited po si Ninong Hermie saan? Sa honeymoon. Kinakabahan pa po. Okay, so, dalawang grupo na po yun, ano? Okay, bago ko tawagin yung groomsmen and bridesmaids, may announcement po si Ninang.
Hello. Okay po. Hello po ulit. Just, we would like to inform you po that our call time, actually, we have a 12 o'clock order to be served during that wedding. So we are encouraging you po to be there at 12 o'clock to have your hors d'oeuvres. And that is, we will start right away at 1 o'clock. So assembly time will be 12:30. We are encouraging you po to at least have hors d'oeuvres because so that you will really not get hungry during the time of waiting for the ceremony to finish. So, just be on time po, and there will be escorts that will be and to give you din po what is this, an eye view, a bird's eye view. We will not at 1 o'clock you're not supposed to march actually pa. You will march. You will be asked by the MCs to go at the back. Kasi pagdating nyo, you will be sitting and hors d'oeuvres will be served to you. Okay? And then, yes. And you have a designated seats, don't you worry. And so, just to let you know also, our MCs for the ceremony will be Sister Atheni and Sister Mahalia. Okay, let's Okay, so we go on the MCs now, please.
Isang tanong po, anong oras po kayo dapat nasa Archley? Salamat po. American time, 12. Okay, ang susunod pong grupo. Groomsmen and bridesmaids. J.R. Cruz and Gia Garcia. J.C. Cruz and Chrislyn Labrador. Christopher Mendoza and Catherine McMurray. Luis Mira and Julie Ramirez. Pakisingit na lang po muna kung sino. Ariel and Ate Violi. Best man and matron of honor. Renee Onting. Renee Onting. And Alma Labrador. Okay. Ring bearer. Daphne. Daph Manuel. Vow bearers. Calvin and MJ. Are they here? No, so pwede pong proxy muna. Flower Girls, para matapos na po. Andrea and Macy. Angela and Aika. Denise and Dayan. Kristep and Daniel. Sian Joy and Sophia. Okay na po. Salamat po sa pakikinig. Si Ninang Mahal at si Ninang Atena na po ang in charge. Sorry po, nakalimutan ko yung kakasal. Si Ninang Celia po, lahat sa dulo. Ninong, sorry. Ang sama ng tingin nyo eh. Sorry po.
Good job.
Okay, hello? Wow. You have to listen. In the program, it says that there will be music. And then we are going to enter, the two of us, or we're already here? Asan ang...
We will enter with the music.
Sa program, it seems like we are with the entourage. Sa program, hindi sa program kasi parang kasama kami sa entourage. So we're gonna be walking? Yeah. Oh, okay. Right. See? Voice over. Introduce the MCs of the ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, we start now and our masters of ceremonies for today.
Okay, so we're here.
Hello and welcome. May your hearts be glad and your spirits be light. For everything there is a season, and for everything there is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. Now is the time for a renewal of vows.
Okay, family and friends, welcome and thank you for being here on this important day. We know that every day is special, but today we are gathered to celebrate the very special love between Sister Celia and Brother Hermie as they renew their vows of marriage. Those of us who are married or in a relationship may take this moment to consciously reaffirm our commitment to our partners and ourselves.
So shall we now